Hi guys, welcome to another episode here at Random Video Projects. In this video, I'm about to show you a short demo, a combined elements using augmented reality with Python. So let's get started. Okay, in this case, I'm using 4 different markers and each markers represent elements. So this is how it works. So these markers represent hydrogen. Then, if this hydrogen combined with nitrogen, it produces ammonia. If this hydrogen combined with oxygen, it produces water. Then, if this oxygen and carbon combine together, it produces carbon dioxide.